This is table of content that we're going to present today. The first one is introduction, the second one is question description, the third one is solution, the fourth is graph, the lastly is conclusion.
Hi and Assalamualaikum. My name is Wan Fatihah binti Wan Umar Baki. My metric number is 10 DMT21F2002. I'm from DMT2A.
Hi, my name is Nuri Syazwani binti Muhammad Roslan Saimi. My metric number is 10 DMT22F1005. I'm from class DMT2A. The question is y equal to x power of 3 minus x power of 2 minus s is an equation of a curve. Determine the maximum, minimum or inflection point occur and sketch the graph. The first step is find dy dx. Y equal to x power of 3 minus x power of 2 minus s. So dy dx is equal to 3x power of 2 minus 2x minus 1. Then we have to find the value of x. So dy dx is equal to 0. 3x power of 2 minus 2x minus 1 equal to 0. And we make a factorize, so we get x equal to 1 and s equal to negative 0.33. Now we have to find the value of y. For y1, you have to substitute the value of x1 into s. So y1 is 1 power of 3 minus 1 power of 2 minus 1. So the answer is negative 1. For y2, you have to substitute the value of x2 into s. So y2 negative 0.33 power of 3 minus negative 0.33 power of 2 minus negative 0.33. So we get the answer is negative 0.475. Then we get the stationary point, which is 1, negative 1 and negative 0.33, negative 0.475.
So the second step is you have to determine the nature of stationary point. So dy dx equals to 3x power of 2 minus 2x minus 1. So you have to differentiate once again. So you'll get 6x minus 2. And then you have to divide it. You have to divide by 2 parts, which is for the first part you have to substitute x1 into x. So 6x minus 2, you will get 1 minus 2, and then the answer is 4. So 4 is bigger than 0, so which is minimum. So the second part is you have to substitute the x2 into x. So 6x minus 2 equals to 6 negative 0.33 minus 2. So the answer is negative 3.98. Negative 3.98 is smaller than 0, so you will get maximum for second part. For the last step, you have to find x and y intersection. So y intersection is x equals to 0. So y equals to x power of 3 minus x power of 2 minus x. So you have to substitute 0 into x. So 0 power of 3 minus 0 power of 2 minus 0. So you will get the answer is 0. So for y intersection, you will get 0, 0. So for x intersection, y equal to 0, you have to use calculator. You can use EQN to factorize the y. So you will get y equals to x power of 3 minus x power of 2 minus x. So you will get 1.3180. The second one is 0, 0. For lastly, you will get negative 0.6180. So for the graph or diagram, I use a Desmos application. So if you use Desmos application, you just have to write the equation in the application and then you will get the graph. But if you did it manually, you have to find the stationary point and then you have to determine the nature of stationary point, which is its maximum or minimum. You have to see is it going this way or this way. And also you have to see the x and y interception, so the value of your x interception and y. So for the conclusion that we got from this subtopic is that you have to memorize 3 steps to get a perfect graph, which is you have to find the stationary point, determine the nature of stationary point, which is its maximum or minimum, and then you have to find the x and y interception.